Ooh, where we at?
Speed Vegas, baby.
Why? It's your birthday!
It's my birthday.
some coffee. We stayed up till 2 a.m. last night doing the Fremont Street Experience, and I'm dying. I am doing a solo trip to the Hoover Dam. John is not interested, and that's totally fine. We're gonna try and do atomic golf later. Fortunately, it's only a 40-minute drive to the Hoover Dam. 11 o'clock right now. I stopped to grab a quick bite to eat. I grabbed like a little egg tart from the coffee shop and some matcha, and I packed a small road trip bag full of little snacks, a fan, water. So I'm excited. I get to see the Hoover Dam, and you guys can come with me. Oh my gosh, I made it. I am at the Hoover Dam. The drive was fast and quick. I just blasted music. Yeah, let's go check out the Hoover Dam. Okay, that was cool. I can officially say that I've seen the Hoover Dam. I only looked at it for about 10 minutes because it's really hot outside. So I'm thinking maybe I can do the access road, and then I'll see if I can drive on the actual dam. And then after that, I'm probably gonna head back to the casino. Okay, I originally wanted to go to the Hoover Dam Cafe, but it's $10 for parking, and I'm not gonna pay $10 to go to the gift shop and buy a $15 magnet. Oh my gosh. My GPS is yelling at me. I'm gonna try and drive over the bridge. I ended up finding parking in Arizona, which is great, so I don't have to pay the $10. Free parking. I'm gonna walk down to the Hoover Dam and get a closer look. Maybe I can go to the gift shop after all. I was not expecting to find free parking, let alone cross over in a different state. This is so cool. I want to show you guys what I got at the gift shop. A micro puzzle of the Hoover Dam. I have one of these from when I went to Julian, California. A copper ring. It's 100% made out of copper. I like the engravings. It looks like it's shining. I think was also the metal used to build the dam. Thought that was cool. I like rings. This is cute, and the price of copper is going up, so why not own a little piece of it? That's it. I am officially done with my Hoover Dam adventures. I'm heading back to the hotel. Okay, let's see how this is. Oh, That's really strong.
Wow, yeah.
This is not good. This is very, very strong. And I'm pretty sure it's well tequila because I ordered their cheapest drink, which is $11. It's a slushy alcoholic drink, and I hate it. But for $11, I'm gonna drink it.
Now you know why it's only $11.
Oh God, it's so bad.